sunshine. You are the ocean to me. You are the sunshine. You are the ocean.
It's time to go for a new adventure. 4 AM. Allez, no sleep. What a trap. Let's go. Rachel, how are you?
Good.
Good?
Yeah, it's good for
This?
warm up to start the day.
Very nice. Let's continue. Oh, so you are saying that you fart?
Yeah.
Like, nice. So ladies and gentlemen, we are almost on the top and I want to discover with you the view. So let's see how is it. Oh putain! Woo! Oh yeah 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 yeah! Allez! Putain! Ladies and gentlemen, welcome to Mount Pinatubo. And it's super peaceful. And then the Queen Nicki Minaj is here.
Super beautiful like me.
Yeah.
Nice.
No, very good time. 4.5 hours, 786 meters above in elevation. So good time. Guys, I just shit in my pants because I was crossing the river and then a snake jumped between my legs like a big snake. So I just jumped to avoid to be bitten, and now my guide is searching for it. But holy shit! It's not the place to be bitten by a bite by a snake, definitely, because it's still 2 hours to the base camp. So okay, everything can happen in Philippines. So we have a problem. The thing is that it's raining a lot. Suddenly it came, and we are in trouble because you have this mud flooding that can appear, and we have to go in one of these canyons. So like the thing is gonna be dark, so we have to hurry up, and my friends are behind. I have to wait. So yeah, that's the problem when it's the raining season. It's really unpredictable, and it rains a lot in a very short time. this is very impressive, and we have to be very quick because it might be some mud flooding, as you can see here. So, and now we have to climb with the rope. I still need to continue my vlog, yeah, you know, guys.
Yes, we're alive.
Yes, as long as we're alive, there is a vlog. Putain, Richard, thank you so much. What a mission. This is so wild. so wild. We will survive, no doubt. Back to the camp and we are all alive. Fuck yeah. Any comment? Any comment, Mr. Artichoke?
Well,
We survived to the flooding today, yeah?
Well, it was unexpected. We will encounter a sudden mud flow, and there are portions of the cliff that
collapsed.
collapsed.
But we managed as a strong team. Ladies and gentlemen, today new day, new adventure, and this is my last day actually in the Philippines, and I'm in direct live with the team. Yes.
Team Flood.
So the team flood, yeah. So we are currently behind a pickup, and we have just one thing to say: is that fuck the rules, fuck the safety. That's a wild expedition. So now we go back safely, let's say, after a crazy day, as you see yesterday.
The mud flow.
Yeah. So and
and
then the day will be like relaxed with a massage and all of like so, okay, let's go. We're going to see the gorge now. I have no clue where we go, but since they know, so I trust them. And this is the end of my trip into Philippines, and the problem is that I've confused the terminals 2 and 3, so now it's panic to catch my flight. And you see, a goodbye is never a goodbye. Epic trip. We almost died 2 times yesterday. Visit Philippines. I have to make my advertising, and then next trip it will be Indonesia for free. Goodbye, good night.